Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between TradingView or Quantower. And before starting this video, I want to make two things clear. And the first thing is I won't tell you which application is better. Trust me, both applications are great. So I will tell you in this video which one fits you the best. The second thing is I made more than 1,500 videos about crypto settings, brokers, and I will tell you with my experiences today which is the best for you or which one fits the best. So let's start right here with the main focus. And the main focus on TradingView is charting and technical analysis. On Quantower, it's more algorithmic trading. And if you look right here to best for, and with that I mean TradingView is the best for manual traders and Quantower is the best for quantitative traders. If you look to the trading tools, TradingView has the industry-leading charts and Quantower has the institutional grade backtesting. So backtesting is on Quantower very good. Then if you look to the interface, TradingView is more modern and intuitive and Quantower is more developer focused. Then if you look to fees and trading costs, TradingView has a lower subscription costs where Quantower has higher platform costs. So you can maybe decide on that last topic which one you will pick. And if I tell you that many traders use TradingView to do on charting, alerts, and to do their market analysis, and on Quantower people are using it to building and deploying trading algorithms. So hopefully after seeing this video, you know exactly right now which application fits you the best. Hopefully this was also the video where I was looking for. Then for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.